Okay, that was fun. So on the first can, that was a scoped 880 with field trophy, and it shot cleanly through it. All right, that was 7 pumps. There's other ammunition I used, and 6 pumps on an empty can just made a big dent. Other ammunition on 7 pumps made it through, so 6 and 7 with other pellets. But the field trophy did great on 7 pumps here. Now let's take a look at this. This is the one that looked really good, that flew up in the air. This had water in it. And now listen. Yeah, it didn't quite make it through. I just wanted to leave that in there. It did crack open the back, though. That's impressive. That was only 6 pumps filled with water. 6 pumps will work in the field. What you're shooting at in the field will be heavy. Will have some weight on it, like the weight of that water. So not bad for 6 pumps. That was pretty impressive, and it did crack the back. Okay. All right, so, and let's take a look at the pellets. So field trophy power in copper. And now they used to have a little meter on here with the quality and all that, but they got rid of it to simplify it. But what you have on here, okay, you have 5 marks for precision. That really means accuracy. So 5 stars, 5 stars. Close range, medium range, long range. And let's go ahead and put this pellet on stage so you can look at it closely. All right, so as you'll see when you look at that, it is very top heavy, little skirt, and just hits really hard. Great downrange, medium range, downrange. Really good stuff. Okay, beautiful. And the copper, you pay a little more for that because it's very fast, straight lines. Any accurate pellet will go straight, but it's very fast, very straight, longer, meaning that it just holds its line better. Okay, and again, let's look at those charts real close up. So 5 stars, 5 marks means 5 stars. Precision, the quality, the QC, and that. So distance is 5 stars. Okay, and then we compare that with something like this. Here's back up a little bit. Back. Okay, all right. Let's back up a little bit. Okay, so if we compare it with that, that's a Rundkugel, so it is a lead ball. And the Germans, at least these Germans are honest. So H&N, they gave it 2 out of 5 stars. Close range, 5 to 10 yards. I talk more about this in the written section. But 4 out of 5 stars for QC, and 2 out of 5 close range ammunition. So anyway, please consider getting these field trophy powered, the copper coated if you can get them. Really fast, really accurate, and okay, and it is a beauty. And with a close-up look of that, yeah, that is just a beautiful pellet. Very top heavy, well made, excellent. Thank you.